How to change the administrator account in Windows 11 in settings. Most of the important settings in Windows 11 are accessible through the Settings app, and here is how to do it. Right click Start and select Settings from the drop down menu. You can also open settings with the Window plus I keyboard shortcut. Then tap on the Accounts option available there. Now click Family or Others Users. If you don't see the account you are looking for in one, then check the other. The family section includes users that are connected to your Microsoft Family group, while the other users section includes local accounts and the other accounts that aren't part of your family group. Now click the user you want to change. Then click Change Account Type option available there. Pick Administrator from the drop down box. You can also revoke administrator privileges from a user account from this screen. Just pick Standard User instead. Now click OK option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.